How to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. Let's see in this video. If you're getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So in my profile you can see there is no any option for add friends. Here I have viewed as a public. So in order to fix this, you need to go to your Facebook settings. For that, first you need to go to your home page of Facebook. Once you are here, you have to tap on the three-bar horizontal line of the right upper corner, and you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see the settings and privacy. Tap on drop down and you have to further go for settings. And here you need to scroll a little bit and you'll be able to see how people find and contact you option under audience and visibility. You have to go for that, and here is a who can send your friend requests option. Simply tap on that and you have to set it to everyone and add friend will be added. So in order to check, you have to go back to your home page and you have to tap on your profile at the left upper corner, and once again you have to tap on the three dotted horizontal line of the right hand side. Here you have to tap on view as, and by viewing as a public you can see add friend has been added. So this is how you fix add friend not showing on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.